but it's not the same Supreme Court. In 1865, the second 13th Amendment was created. Why? Because the first 13th Amendment was the amendment that didn't allow attorneys to hold office. You couldn't have a title of nobility with the original 13th Amendment. That was still part of the original organic Constitution. What did they replace it with? In 1865, the one that everybody talks about being so good. It was the freeing of the slaves. That's what they say. No, that's not what happened. The 13th Amendment was not about freeing slaves. It was about creating a government where voluntary servitude was a possibility. In 1870, the 15th Amendment was passed. What amendment is that? That's the amendment to the legal right to vote. Legal right, not lawful. Legal right to vote. What did they do? They made it so you had to register to vote to participate in their legal system. Did you need to register prior to that? No. You actually had a right to participate. Now you had to register. In fact, what did they say? Voting is a privilege. It is. It's not a right. It's a privilege in their world. And they've made it a privilege. And you know what? What can you do with a privilege that you can't do with a right? Take it away. Also in 1870, something really important happened. The Department of Justice was created. Why? Because there was no Article III judiciary. They needed some semblance of law. But it says Department of Justice. Under what does the Department of Justice fall? The executive. The executive branch. It's a department under the executive branch. So who's in control of the legal system? The president. The dictator. This is pretty sad stuff. That was in 1870. And ultimately, who's the top law enforcement officer in their system? The Attorney General? The Attorney General, right? In the Department of Justice?
Yeah.
Okay. So it doesn't have anything to do with the Supreme Court or anything like that? No, it's the Attorney General. In 1871, then, a new private municipal corporation was created under the Organic Act. And this new private municipal corporation had a charter, a document of incorporation. And that was called the Constitution of the United States of America. It's a private